Hey guys, it's day 3 of our trip. Today we are going to West Village to have brunch. We're going to a place called, I hope I'm saying this right, it's called Bouvet. It's a French restaurant and it was recommended to me by a client. So yeah, I had something light for breakfast, but I wanted to have something right now during noon, and I'm really tired. My feet are hurting so much from walking a lot yesterday, and I don't know if I can do a lot today. We were hoping we can go to Brooklyn, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel because I literally came. We got back to the hotel pretty late at night yesterday, and I had like 3 blisters on my feet, and one of my toes was bleeding, so it was pretty bad. I'm actually, let me see. I'm wearing the same shoes I was wearing yesterday's, but it doesn't hurt as much. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys all this. Why am I telling you guys all this? Because I have nothing else to talk about. Anyway, so we're gonna head out right now. And yeah, I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. It's really nice. It's a lot sunnier today than it was yesterday. Yesterday was really weird and muggy and cloudy, but it was like 90 degrees. It was so gross. Today's gonna be the same, but there's more sun now. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go.